Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get frags in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get frags in Dark War Survival. So in Dark War Survival, frags, our hero fragments, are used to unlock heroes and increase their star level. So here are the ways to farm to get them. We have the elite recruitment. You can use elite recruitment tickets or rubies to recruit heroes. This is one of the main sources of hero fragments. Lucky chest events, so spend skull coins or rubies to spin the wheel. You can earn hero fragments directly, and milestone rewards are also grant guaranteed fragments. This is one of the most efficient events for unlocking S tier heroes. We have the Goodie Bazaar event. Exchange goodie tokens for specific hero fragments. That is also an option. Survival trials. New players can earn large numbers of Cecilia fragments and orange versatility through this. Aliens and PvP events. Events such as Aliens Duel, escort missions, and some seasonal activities will also do this job. Dark Zone shop. Spend Dark Zone medals on, or of course on orange hero fragments and other valuable items. Many experienced players recommend buying orange fragments whenever you need them. And that's basically that. That's how you can actually go and do it, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.